Welcome back my dear friends, this is Engineer Arif. I am going to release a new series of SolidWorks video tutorials for my beginners friends. Let's start learning. Today, I'm gonna show you how to design a very simple part using SolidWorks 2018. Oh yes, just do me a little support, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of new releases.
Exercise number 5. This is the part which we going to design today. This is also a simple part for beginners exercise. As you can see, we can divide it into horizontal section and vertical section. We will design the horizontal part first, and then vertical parts. We will use 3 sketches, 2 boss extrude, and 1 extrude cut command for completing this design.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Left click on the face and edit appearance. Go to material, right click and select edit material. Then choose your desired material. Edit appearance. Select this color.
Left click and select sketch.
Now take corner rectangle command and draw a rectangle. Length is 130 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Width is 40 millimeters. Now we will draw a straight slot.
Press OK.
Take straight slot command. Select midpoint. Distance is 40 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Radius is 10 millimeters. Now take arc command. Select midpoint.
Now take Trim Entities command. Select Power Trim. Now trim these lines. Press OK. Now select Smart Dimension.
Radius is 20 millimeters.
Press OK. The sketch is fully defined. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Height is 10 millimeters.
Press OK.
Now we will design this vertical part.
Left-click and select Sketch.
Press Ctrl+8. Now take corner rectangle command and draw a rectangle. Diameter is 50 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Height is 30 millimeters.
Press OK. Now take Circle command and choose Origin as the center of the circle. Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 30 millimeters.
Press OK. Now take Trim Entities command. Select Power Trim. Now trim these lines. Press OK. Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 25 millimeters.
Press OK. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Reverse direction. From the drop-down menu select Through All.
Press OK.
Left-click on this surface and select Sketch. Press Ctrl+8. Now take corner rectangle command and draw a rectangle.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 20 millimeters. Distance is 10 millimeters. Height is 10 millimeters. Distance is 70 millimeters. From featured menu select Extrude Cut command.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view. Let's do motion study. Make this speed 3x. Select Animation Wizard. Select Rotate Mode and click Next. Select Y-axis of rotation and click Next. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. Now select Play from Start.
Congratulations! This is the part, which we are trying to build.
If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.